Alright, you guys, so I'm outside right now, so you might see me look around at people looking at me, but I'm gonna do a CVS couponing haul. I just started couponing, so I'm kind of learning how the gist of it and how it works. I just want to show you guys a few good deals that I did today that I think I did pretty good on. The first one I'm going to show you is the first transaction. I did 3 different transactions today, which is this CoverGirl transaction. I did their buy 2 get a $6 extra buck, and I used one thing I noticed that one of my coupons didn't apply that I had on my card, but it was one manufacturer coupon, $2 off, plus a $3 extra buck and a $1.25 off, which brings my subtotal to $6.99. And once you buy 2, you get $6 off. So the $6 minus the $6 that I paid, it would be 99 cents for the both of them. There's a car behind me, but anyways, so it'll be 99 cents for the both after the extra bucks. So $6 extra bucks, and I got 2. I got the eyeshadow and the washable smudge resistant for eyelashes. So I got those 2 for $6.99 plus $6 extra bucks. So basically you get both of them for 99 cents or 49 cents each. Okay, so that's that one. The next one I did was the best one. I got, let's see, what did I get? Buy one get 150% off of the Lady Ski Stick. You buy one get 150% off, and they're also 50 cent. There's a 50-cent manufacturer coupon. So I got two different kinds of the Lady Stick. Got the, what is this? Invisible. They're both Invisible Dry. One's Shower Fresh and one's Powder Fresh. And after the CVS coupons and the Speed Stick, it comes down to 41 cents in tax. I didn't pay well, $0.41 in tax. Basically I just paid for the tax, which was 41 cents. So use a 50% off coupon. There we go. And $0, and you see the 2 coupons there. Sorry, trying to focus in. There we go. So that's the second one I did, and that one was pretty good. The last one I did today was the Maybelline. Actually, I got 2. I actually have to show you, about to find the receipt, but it's the Maybelline lip balm. Sorry, there's a lot of distractions. So I did the Maybelline lip balms, which is, I believe, if you buy 2, you will get a $4. Let's see. Maybelline. So Maybelline is buy 2 get a $5 extra buck here. So I got the $5 back from this one, and I used the $5 extra buck on the Speed Sticks. Actually, I used that $5 extra buck on the Speed Sticks. That's what made them 41 cents. and then for these I paid $1.66. I used a $2 off a Maybelline New York manufacturer coupon that's actually in your app, and I used the $6 extra buck I had got earlier from, what did I get it from? From the CoverGirl products that I had bought. So I have these two. And then the last thing that I bought was 3 items. I bought 2 sensitive OxiClean Arm and Hammer detergents were $2.99, and 1 of the Purex Oxy for $1.99. I used $1 off manufacturer coupon for the OxiClean, a 50-cent manufacturer coupon for the Purex, and another Arm & Hammer $1 off coupon for the other one, which brings the OxiClean down to $1.99, and the Arm & Hammer, not the Arm & Hammer, but the Purex, $1.50. And I used the $2 off, what is it, $2 off extra buck, which brought them down to $3.47, after tax $4.07. And there's no extra bucks for this one, but that's a pretty good deal for 3 laundry detergents. 3 laundry detergents for $4, so that is pretty good. So that's 3 for $4, or $1.25 each, about $1.30 each, which is pretty good deal. But I just wanted to show you guys that real quick. I'm sitting outside of CVS right now, trying to move around, but I just want to show you guys a couple of my couponing things. I just started couponing and I really enjoy it, and I wanted to share you guys a couple of deals that I've got and a couple of deals that you guys can do, because a lot of coupons that I use are actually in the CVS app. So if you have their rewards card, you will have access to that, and you can use those for this if you don't have the ads from the Sunday newspaper. So that's it, you guys. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe down below. Please comment down below if you do like these hauls and you would like to see me do more of these, because I will be continuing to couponing. So let me know. Bye.